So, oh, I see. So here's the shape we're trying to make, right? Here it is. It's a three-dimensional little widget, right? Or gadget. So let's get to it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to make a new document. I'm going to call it part one. It looks like I already have something there, but so I'm going to delete this sketch just to start all over again. Okay, so I'm going to make a sketch and I'm going to hide everything except top, right? And now I'm working on the top plane, as you can see, right? And I'm going to first make the general base. So the general base, it looks like this. This is vertical, okay? Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, and across. So this one is a little off in terms of horizontal. Let me do some measurement now. So D, I'm going to make this one 2, okay? 2. I'm going to make this one 3, 4. And I'm going to make this one 3. And this one should be 7. Okay, and then I'll make this one 3. And this one, of course, has to be 5, right? See, it should be grayed out. Well, see, it's grayed out because 3 and 2 make 5, right? And this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, so now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude it. So I jump out and I extrude, you see? And I'm going to get a three-dimensional figure, but it tells me what to do. So I want to do only 1. So I'm going to extrude by 1. There it is, right? And click OK. And now I'm going to draw those other pieces. So I'm going to say sketch, and I'm not going to choose the top plane. I'm going to choose this plane right here. You see this top part of this figure right here, top part. So you see, it says face of extrusion 1. That's this top part. So what am I drawing on? This top part. So what do I want? Well, I want a rectangle. Right, I want a rectangle. If I can get it, I guess it's right over here. 3-point line, corner, rectangle. Yeah, right here. See? And I'm going to start 3-point. Yeah, it's 3-point. Let me see. Uh, a line, center point. Yeah, corner rectangle is good. So right here, I'm ready to draw, right? And I'm going to go from the corner and I'm going to draw a rectangle. It's going to be 1, width of 1. So I'm just going to put 1, not that one, not that one. I'm talking about this. This piece should be this piece should be 1. See, right here, 1. I'm also do this on the other side. I'm gonna do it on the other side. 1 right here. Is it drawing? Not getting anything. Let's try it again. So right here, corner, and okay, something something's flipping out. I'll give it another try. And corner, click, and now it's going. Okay. And again, be careful. I'm going to go and escape and put D equals 1 here. It looks like it wanted to do the other one, but here it is, 1. Uh, 1 on both sides. Okay, I guess this is interesting. I can move this, right? Don't really want to, but anyway, here we go, 1. Okay, I'm going to extrude now. So I'm going to go to extrude, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to extrude by what? 3. Well, let's do 3. Yeah, 3. Do the same thing on this one, but it hid the sketch. So I'm going to show the sketch. I'm going to say extrude and do 3 again. 3. Okay, and I click OK. All right, let's see what I have. So I have something. It looks like it could have been 2. Maybe I'll go back and I'll change it to 2. Okay, 2. And I'll OK and extrude 3. I'll change it to 2. And that looks good. That looks better. Okay. So what do I want to do next, right? Well, I want to put a circle. I want to cut out a circle right here on this surface. You see the surface right there? I want to cut out a circle. So I'm going to make a new sketch right on this surface right here. It says face of extrude one. See, that's this one. And I'm going to draw. So what do I want to draw? I want to draw a circle. So ellipse, 3-point circle, center point circle. Yeah, center point circle right here. And I'm going to make it equal to 1. If you notice, it is equal to 1, right? Oops, thinks I want to draw again, but I don't. The only thing is I want this center, you see? I want the center. If you recall, this is 4, or this is 3, and this is 3. So that means I want this. I guess I'm going to measure. So I'm going to measure this, and let's say this to here, and I'm going to make that equal to 2. Let me see, 3 should be 1.5. Let's try that. Maybe 1. See, that looks centered, but I also want to center the other direction too from, let's see, from here. Let's see, I went from here to here, or from here to here. See, and I want that to be 1 also. That one should be 1.5. Okay. So you see, I have that circle and it's centered at the top part, right? Not the bottom part. I click OK and I'm going to extrude again, but this is the difference. I'm going to say remove. I'm going to say remove. So when I click this, it wants to remove. I think this is okay, but I want to be very specific here. I'm going to say to next, which is going to do the same. I'm going to click OK. And look what it did. It drew a hole. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do a hole, right? And I'm going to N, and I'm going to make a sketch right here. Click on that. Again, a circle, right? Center point circle. We're going to make it 1 again. 1. There it is. It's got to be centered again, so I got to do some measurement. So I think here to here, it looks like should be 2, no, 2.5. 2.5, right? And from here to the top should be 1 maybe. Yeah, that looks pretty good. See, it's centered right there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to extrude. Click on this. It says, doesn't say remove. I'm going to say remove. And if you remember, I said to next, right? And I click OK. So now I have those 2 circles where I exactly where I want them. Okay, so one last thing though. One last thing is I like to do is I like to do some filleting. Filleting. Is it this one? Fillet? Yeah. So I'm gonna go and I'm going to click on, and it's gonna give me a 1. I could change it, you see right here, 0.1, but 0.1 is good. So I'm just gonna do some filleting and just do the top. Leave the bottom part alone, right? Like this bottom part, don't do that. And I'm gonna do the circles, yeah, the circles in here. I forgot this little piece right there. Okay. And now I'm going to go to this piece, right? Point 1 was good. Right here. And right there, right there, right there. And I'll do this. Okay, click OK. And you see what it does? It kind of rounds it off, right? It rounds it and smooths it off. Let's see if I can see a different view here, right? Are these the views? If I say translucent, kind of see through it, right? That's pretty cool. And if I go, what's the other one? Shaded is good. Isometric, shaded without edges. Actually, that looks smooth. Yeah, that looks pretty smooth. You could try some other ones, right? Translucent, hidden, edges removed. I'll just go back to shade. Okay, so that's it. You're done.